LPS DETEX is a full line of maintenance solutions designed for food processing facilities. These NSF-approved products are packaged with patented metal and X-ray detectable plastic components. To demonstrate the real-life advantage this technology delivers, we set up an experiment against a competitive brand. We dropped a can to document the breakage, then repeated the test for 5 more times for each product. When dropped from a typical use height, aerosol components are likely to break. These small plastic pieces could contaminate food during production. Note, the integrated straw did not separate from the LPS DETEX can in any drop test. Additionally, all LPS DETEX pieces that may break away can be detected by metal and X-ray detection equipment, preventing contaminated product from being released to the market. This magnet replicates metal detection of LPS DETEX packaging. When prevention is not enough, detection is your best option.